Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to UPSEC's online support program. Today we are going to start our session Mathematics of Class 5. Textbooks, New Syllabus Primary Mathematics, page number 68 to 77. Chapter 4, Fractions. Topic, Adding and Subtracting of Mixed Numbers. We have done this topic already in round 2. Today we will revise again. Required resources, textbook, laptop, workbook, internet resources. Summary of the lesson. We will learn to adding mixed numbers, subtracting mixed numbers, express each answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. Thought of the day. Every new day brings with it another chance to change life. The new day is the new opportunity for us to change our life in positive way and can achieve our goal. Objective. We will learn about adding mixed numbers and express answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. Subtracting mixed numbers and express answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. Recap of previous topic. Question number 1. What is fraction? Yes. When an object is divided into equal parts is called fraction. Question number 2. 3 whole number 5 out of 8 change into improper fraction. Answer 29 out of 8. How we will get this answer? We will multiply 3 into 8. 3 8s are 24. Add numerator means plus 5. 29 out of 8. Question number 3. 38 out of 5 change into mixed numbers. By dividing we can find answer. Answer is 7 whole number 3 out of 8. Our question will be the whole number. Divisor will be the denominator and remainder will be the numerator. Topic, adding of mixed numbers. Example number 1. Find the sum of 4 whole number 1 out of 2 plus 5 out of 7. Solution. We will change the mixed number into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8 plus 1. 9 out of 2 plus 5 out of 7. After changing mixed number into improper fraction, change the denominator. Both denominator are different. One is 2, another is 7. So by LCM method, we will make the denominator same. Write 2 and 7 in the table. Take the table of 2. 2 1s are 2. 7 cannot be divided by 2. Write 7 remain same. The next we take the table of 7. 1 remains same and 7 1s are 7. LCM 2 multiply 7 equal to 14. Write 14 in the denominator and look at the first fraction. Denominator is 2. Read the table of 2. 2 7s are 14. So 7 multiply with numerator. Numerator is 9. So we will write 7 multiply 9. Make the bracket sign plus. Make another bracket. Look at the fraction. Second fraction denominator is 7. 7 2s are 14. So 2 multiply with numerator. Numerator is 5. So we will write 2 multiply 5. The next step. 7 9s are 63 plus 2 5s are 10. Next step. We will add 63 plus 10. 73 out of 14. This is improper fraction. So change into mixed number by dividing. Answer 5 whole number 3 out of 14. 2. Miss Mealing has one whole number 3 out of 5 bars of chocolate and one whole number 7 out of 10 bars of milk chocolate. How many bars of chocolate does she have altogether? When the word is used altogether, that means we will add both fractions. One whole number 3 out of 5 plus one whole number 7 out of 10. Change mixed number into improper fraction. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 8 out of 5 plus 10 ones are 10 plus 7 17 out of 10. Now check the denominator. Both denominator are different. So by LCM method we will make the denominator same. Write 5 and 10 in the table. Take the table of 2. 5 cannot be divided by 2. Write 5 remains same and 2 5s are 10. Now next we take the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Now 2 multiply 5 equal to 10. This is our LCM. Right, and in the denominator and look at fraction 1. Denominator is 5. 5 2s are 10. So 2 multiply with 8. Make bracket plus sign another bracket. Denominator is 10. 10 ones are 10. So 1 multiply with 17 because 17 is a numerator. The next step, 2 8s are 16 plus 17 ones are 17. Now 16 plus 17 equal to 33. So answer is 33 out of 10. This is also improper fraction. Change into mixed number. 3 whole number 3 out of 10. She has 3 whole number 3 out of 10 bars of chocolate all together. Subtracting of mixed number. Example number 1. Subtract 5 whole number 1 out of 6 from 9 whole number 3 out of 4. We will write the subtract from. Write the first fraction 9 whole number 3 out of 4 because in the question says subtract 5 whole number 1 out of 6 from 9 whole number 3 out of 4. Okay, 9 whole number 3 out of 4 minus 5 whole number 1 out of 6. Change these mixed number into improper fraction. 9 4s are 36 plus 3 39 out of 4 minus sign. 5 6 are 30 plus 1 31. 31 out of 6. Now look at the denominator. Denominator are different, 4 and 6. So we will take LCM to make the denominator same. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Then again take table of 2. 2 1s are 2 and 3 remain same. Then take the table of 3. 1 is remain same. 3 1s are 3. 2 multiply 3 equal to 12. How? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. Write 12 in the denominator and look at the first fraction. The denominator is 4. Read the table of 4. 4 3s are 12. So 3 multiply with numerator and numerator is 39. Make the bracket sign minus sign. Now another fraction 6 2s are 12. So 2 multiply 31. 31 is a numerator. Okay. So next step 39 multiply 3. Answer is 170 minus 31 multiply 2 61. The next step we will subtract 117 minus 61. Answer 56 out of 12. This is also improper fraction, so change into mixed number by dividing. Answer 4 whole number 8 out of 12. Example number 2. Mrs. Singh has 4 whole number 2 out of 5 meter of cloth and she uses 2 whole number 3 out of 4 meter to make curtains. How much clothes does she have left? The word is used left, that means we will subtract. 4 whole number 2 out of 5 minus 2 whole number 3 out of 4. Makes number change into improper fraction. 4 5s are 20 plus 2. 22 out of 5 minus 2 multiplied by 4, 8 plus 3, 11 out of 4. Now look at the denominator. Denominator is 5 and 4. So take the LCM and make the denominator same. Write the table of 2. 2s are 4 and 5 remains same. Now the next we will take the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 5 remains same. So take the table of 5. 1 is remains same and 5 1s are 5. LCM 2 multiply 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So LCM is 20. Write 20 in the denominator. Look at fraction number 1. Fraction number 1 denominator is 5. So read the table of 5. 5 4s are 20. Multiply with numerator. Numerator is 22. Make the bracket side minus. Another fraction. Denominator is 4. Read the table of 4. 4 5s are 20. 5 multiplied by 11. The next step. 22 minus 4 88. Minus 5 multiply 11 55. Now subtract 88 minus 55. Answer is 33. So 33 out of 20. This is also improper fraction. So change into mixed number by dividing. Answer 1 whole number 13 out of 20. She has 1 whole number 13 out of 20 meter of cloth left. Success criteria. Remember 2. First, make the denominator same. Then add or subtract the fraction. Subtract the numerator and write the answer over the common denominator. Add or subtract the whole numbers in fraction and then subtract and add the fraction. Use LCM method to make denominator same. Express the answer in simplest form. Task Workbook. Do page number 47, question number 2, A to C. Clear class? Thank you.